Okay. Aqil dah landing ke?
Dia punya flag dah buka dah.
Dia buka dah, Pak. Dia buka tu. Dia dah besar kan? Dia dah extend dah. Nampak tak? Extend dah, Pak. Kan? Dia dah buka kan? Nampak tak? Dia pucuk dia buka ni. Oh, cuaca dia hujan ke ni? Is it raining? Okay. Is it raining? Oh, there. Land nampak je. Nampak tak? Can you see that? Ha? Can you see the land? There the side nampak je. There nampak tu school. Sini nampak belakang ni. Ha, nampak tu. Okay. Ha. Nampak? This is a flight from Kuala Lumpur to Penang. It is in the morning and the time check is about 11 o'clock and the date is 31st of July 2024 and today is Aqil's first flight. Aqil first flight. Hi Aqil, why are you sleeping? Aqil there. Coming down, see the river. See the river there, nampak? Can you see the river? Yeah? Oh, there you see one. Look at that, another flight. Can you see it? See the cars? The hotlink cars. Huh? Can you see the hotlink cars? Cars like hotlink, right? Aqil, nampak Aqil? See the one, see, it opens bigger and bigger, see? The wings open very big. Nampak? Very wide. Ha. Oh, Aqil, that one. See the tank. They put the petrol there. Like cups, right? See that? Yeah. Nampak? Can you see it? Yeah. You see the food. Aqil, see the ship. There's the ship there. There's the big ship. Nampak tak? Ha? Can you see the ship? Ha? Oh. Well, he woke up at about 5 o'clock in the morning today and I guess he's feeling sleepy. Are you sleepy, Aqil? You're feeling sleepy. Oh, there's another ship. Wow, look at that. Oh, wow. Oh, look at that. Oh no, that is the bridge. Bridge. I think this is Penang Bridge. Penang Bridge. This is bridge number 1. Kalau bridge number 2 dia pecah. Dia boleh buka. Dia ada speed. The two lanes. The two lanes are together. This is Penang Bridge number 1. Penang Bridge number 1. The difference is that the bridge there's 2 lanes but they are together. The Penang Bridge number 2 has got 2 lanes but the lanes are far apart. And this is Aqil Azrul. Yeah. Smile. Oh, maybe jet lag. Domestic jet lag. Aqil? Domestic jet lag. We're landing now. Aqil, apa tu? Nak landing. Tengok. Nak landing. Nak landing dah. Nampak? Can you see the sea? Nampak laut tak? Nampak? Can you see the boat? Can you see the boat moving? There. Oh, see the other boat. See the boat. Very fast. Aqil tengok nanti dia goyang-goyang. Dia goyang-goyang kat ni. Nanti dia sampai. Nak sampai dah. Cepat. Nampak ada bumbung dia. Nampak bumbung tak? Nampak kapak dia. It's coming down. It's landing. Come on. Check. pegang tu.
Turunan.
Ya. Co-pilot landing. Ini co-pilot landing.
Flat dia Aqil. Flat dia.
Sini, depan ni. Nampak dia buka, nampak?
Dia brake nampak?
Dia break. Oh, nampak tu? Aeroplane. Wah, Aqil dah wake. Dah wide awake. Okay, Aqil, give me thumbs up. Terus sana sikit. Okay, good one. Come on, good one. Come, give me good one. Good sign. Tak boleh buka lagi. Good sign. Okay, bye. Belum. Dia sampai boleh buka. Dia tak boleh buka, dia moving. It's like a car. You cannot open it unless it's stopped.
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Penang International Airport. Please remain seated until the seatbelt sign is switched on. And this aircraft has come to a complete stop. You are reminded to check on your seat for any personal belongings. And please use caution when opening the overhead compartment. You're now allowed to use your portable devices when sitting in the aircraft. However, it cannot be used when you're in the open parking area for safety reasons. It has been a pleasure being your
Domestic jet lag.
Captain Ahmad, together with co-pilot Hafiz Samsani and the rest of the crew. We thank you for flying with Firefly and codeshare with Malaysia Airlines. We look forward to welcoming you on board again soon. Thank you.